Amish. Oh, don't fall, boy. Don't fall. Get up. Up. Get up. Get up, Amish. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is this is Ankeru. Amish, you following me? You following me, boy? Come. Come, come. 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 Whoa. Woi, woi. Your brother is coming soon. Your brother is coming soon. Brother Amish and Jahmesh. Okay. Hope you don't fall. Yeah, Amish. You're walking so strong. Yes. Amish, sit, mommy. You see, mommy? Amish, mind your fall. Amish, mind your fall. Amish, I'm ham. I'm ham. I'm ham. I'm ham. I'm ham. Yes, Amish. Amish, mind your fall. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I'm ham. Woo! Look at the car, Amish. Look at the car. Look at the car. Yeah, family. So today is the day. We're actually going to the hospital for the last day today. And as I said, guys, we're trying to take this baby out on my birthday, the 21st, and the 21st of January. Today is the last day. I'm crying, but we have to go. Today is the last day for the hospital, family, before Miss Jam Tours give birth. So today is the day we'll know if we can get this baby out on my birthday, just to celebrate. I found out Amish was inside Miss Jam Tours on my birthday in 2020. Is it 2020? 2022? Yeah, 2022. Yeah, family. So today is the day, family. And I'm happy. I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come while we go. Yeah, family. So today is the day. Today is the day. You'll know that Jahmesh coming out on my birthday. Today is the day we will know if Jahmesh is coming out on my Earth Day. That will be a blessed day. Alright, sweetie, hold this. Hold your tea. Hold your tea. Hold your cup. While I hold my sea moss. Sea moss. But sweetie, anytime I count my eggs, them always hatch. You know, they say that we count the egg before it hatch. But Jam Tours Africa is so blessed. So I can count my eggs before it hatch. How much time have I count my eggs before it hatch? It hatch before. Tell me. How much time? Tell me. There's so many experience. Can you remember any experience?
No, unless you tell us.
But I'm always counting my eggs, and you always say, oh, they're not gonna hatch. And they hatch. Alright, family, let's go. So you feel today, sweetie? You feel today?
when it comes to pregnancy, sometimes you feel things you can't explain. So that's where I am as at now. I don't know what I'm feeling, but I'm not alright.
So you feel like we're able to get this baby out on my birthday?
I don't know. I'm leaving that.
Based on how you feel.
But if I go to the hospital and I be told, oh yeah, you're not going home.
You're not going.
What will I do?
So you know I walk with your bag then?
What for? Just
That's what, 36 weeks?
Yeah.
Also 37 weeks, and the normal delivery time is from when from?
Normal delivery time from, okay, this is how it goes. It seems like you've never understood these things of pregnancy. At 36 weeks, how will I say? Anytime from 36 weeks.
Yeah, 36 weeks now.
Yes. So anytime from here you're due.
Okay, so 36 weeks, 37 weeks.
The most it goes, it's 40 weeks. But guess what? It's normally minus or plus 2 weeks.
Okay.
So even if it comes at 38, 37 weeks, you're alright. Jahmesh came at 39 weeks.
Okay.
Right. Others go up to 42 weeks, but now past that is abnormal.
Okay. Alright, family. So as you can see, we are at 36 weeks, and the 21st is when? How much more days from like 14, 13 days, like 12 more days. So we have like 12 more days to go, and those 12 more days you will be what, 37 weeks or 38.
On your birthday?
I think it will be 38 weeks.
No. If today I'm, somewhere.
Yeah, family, so we're pressing and asking Jah
To bring it that
for divine order and divine strength and divine intervention and divine destiny that this happen and Jam Tours Africa birthday.
Then that's all you care for. You're not praying for safe delivery.
Yes, we just
You
safe
know how hard
delivery.
it is to bring life.
It's hard to bring life and preserve life, sustain life, grow life. It's crazy. Maintain life.
Let me tell you,
All of these things.
the old women here in our tribe, we normally say, we don't celebrate when somebody is pregnant, of course, yeah, you celebrate. They are fertile, they can produce, you know. At least there's something to celebrate. But let me tell you, any Kiku would understand what I'm saying well. Any somebody from my, they'll understand. But what we say, those are two lives together attached to each other. So detangling them together like this, that's when we celebrate.
Okay.
Right now,
Because your life and the baby life.
There's a baby in the stomach who is attached to me. And for the baby to come out, you see now, the baby is by themselves, the mother is by themselves. That's when we do the the 5 things that you did on the traditional wedding. You know what I mean, right?
Okay, so what is those 5 things? Okay.
If it's if it's a boy, give you 5. That one, it's like a
and if it's a girl get 4?
A girl gets 4.
So why a girl get 4 and a boy get 5?
You see, a boy is, the Simba of the family.
Okay? The Simba.
Simba is lion.
The lion of the family. The protector of the family. So a boy get 5 at the day.
Boy gets 5 and girl gets 4.
Girls get 4.
So that's the only time you hear that.
And how much they did on your traditional wedding?
They gave you 5.
They gave me so they gave me 5. Okay.
They gave you 5, they gave me 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
And they'll still give you more when you come. We must celebrate you like that.
Okay. So I have 4 more times to go for traditional wedding family.
They're not fun. You can go as many times.
Go as many times. Okay. Alright, so maybe this might be just a yearly celebration for me. I'll just go every year until I die.
Oh, really?
Alright.
No, well, what you did was, introduction and stuff like that. So.
Alright, family, let's go to the hospital and hear what the doctor is saying, and we can see.
We are super late. It's 8:34 and we were to be there by 7.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, family, so we're actually in the hospital. We are at the hospital called Alkaline. They have a university. Power, mambo, jumbo. See, that's a good vision. That's a good greeting.
Now you've greeted him and you've responded for him.
Power, mambo, jumbo.
Now,
That'll be my greetings here, Stevie.
watch it. Power.
I look stupid.
Yeah, you look like an idiot. Watch it. Poa is when I greet you. Mambo, you reply. Poa. So you see now you've replied when he has not greeted you. And then again when you say mambo jumbo, now you are greeting him. And
Poa, mambo, jumbo.
Instead you can be greeting jumbo, because mambo poa is like young people, should I say teenagers, young. It's not a greeting of adults.
Okay.
But when you say jumbo is nice.
Poa, mambo, jumbo, my lovely people.
Okay.
That'll be my YouTube's title.
Let me ask. Today we are not getting parking here.
Yeah, we're not getting
Today I'll have to walk.
Yeah, family. So inside the hospital now, this is a parking area. So when you come to Aga Khan, as an international person, it's an international hospital, family.
Looking like a hotel.
So, you know what I mean?
Looks like a 5-star.
Everything is strict. It's a 5-star hotel hospital. This. You have to come to experience it. And I want to share with you guys the entire pregnancy journey of Jahmesh.
Who is Jahmesh?
Yeah, I want to share the entire
Of Miss Jam Tours.
pregnancy journey with your family. So, let's go.
Let us go.
Let us go.
Let us go. Okay, B, I knew you'll come to the farthest parking, and their parking's at the top. Or you want to put here? Actually, here is nice. Not sure. I think so too. How do you feel you'll be dad again?
Yeah?
How do you feel like you're already a dad? Yes, so you'll be called daddy for the second time.
Dada.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Dada.
Mama. Mama. Mommy. Mama. Mommy. Mommy. Mama. I remember I come one time and bounce the car, you know, see.
Actually, you know, I saw it at the back, and I was
going
like,
like this doof on a tree thump.
and there it is again. See?
It's the same one. I think it's not this one.
Oh, we went into the
I think
bush.
it's another one there.
When was that? During Jahmesh time?
I think I remember if he was giving birth or something.
Oh my God, I'm here smiling and I don't know what awaits for me.
Alright, family, let's go.
Anyway,
Let's go.
Even if it happens today, I'll just shout a
Yes,
few
yes.
times
If
and
it
then
might come today.
smile. That's it. What are you saying, love?
Alright, guys, let's go.
Do you like my
Family's drum tools.
do you love my crown?
Need to get a new memory card.
You love my crown?
You have so much video to post.
Do
After
you?
your editor.
Do you love my crown?
Yes.
I take.
Alright, family, let's go. Yeah, family, yeah. That's Mr. Jam Tours going there. Going to the hospital. Inside we go. Let's go. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tour is actually,
Something else.
you know, mess up our date. She's supposed to come
At 3.
at 3 and she make we come here
Actually,
at 7.
15, and I wanted to come at 7.
Guy,
But I even slept. Yeah,
Right. Where you put the phone now? It's inside there.
I even don't know. No, it cannot be there. Search the sides.
Set the sides. Yeah, family. So we are at 3.
At 3 or
We are at from that. So the doctor
And then-
accept to do it.
And then I woke up. I woke you
So
up
we'll
and-
just wait for her to come and see.
But anybody in my shoes,
Mm.
or everybody was wait. The one is last.
Yeah, I feel like it's last.
We need to find.
Yeah, family. So we get the confirmation that it will be on the 21st. Jahmesh on the 21st. I'm going to take you.
Yes. Wait. Let me first come on this side.
Yeah, come on this side, yeah. Okay, alright.
Very soon you
So
will
that confirm.
You need to lift me.
That confirm. It's on the 21st.
Better tell my Jamaican sis what her bags will
To come.
be. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I also tell mom to stop taking her blood thing.
Yeah, family. So let's go. So Amish, me, Jahmesh, and our Jamaican sister going to share the same birthday, family, 21st. How special and how awesome is that? Jahmesh, our Jamaican sister, and Mr. Jam Tours will be sharing the same Earth Day.
What you should be asking God is to make that day rich. Not saying it will happen as you.
We asked Jah for that day. Everything run good and everything smooth sailing. Yeah. Guy, so Miss Jam Tours is saying that it can come early.
Where is this tissue? What she was saying then.
Eh? What she said?
She told mom the baby looks like they might be bigger than Amish.
Guy, really?
Oh.
Guy, fuck.
Shit.
Guy? Sweetie, we stuck in the lift.
It's not it.
What you gonna do? Guy?